Hey everyone, thanks for joining for this mid afternoon update. So, I just wanted to share with you this particular document slash guide here is from uh, the Linux documentation project. So, it's an open source organization that provides very valuable information about the Linux project, and one of their valuable guide is the advanced bash scripting guide. So if you are starting out with bash, and if you listen that if you're a bit comfortable, you can move on to the uh, advanced level bash scripting, and using this guide you'll be able to kind of level up your bash scripting. So as you can see, it's a lot of information. So um, it goes from basics to very advanced situations, scenarios, things like that. Um, I would suggest going through their contributed scripts section, where they have compiled all their scripts that this guide kind of touches on. So you can read through them, kind of see what they're doing. My goal eventually is to kind of trans I guess translate these into Python, and also maybe Perl or some other languages, so I can kind of go between the scripting languages easily, kind of move along. So that's what my ultimate goal is. So I'll try to document that in my channel. But yeah, if you're starting out, or you're if you want to level up your bash scripting, you can always look at this particular guide and the scripts that it contains to try to figure out what they do, how they kind of apply to system administration tasks, even for fun, fun things that bash can do. If you're into programming, I think you'll really enjoy this particular document, and also the scripts that comes along with it. Thanks a lot for joining. Just a quick update for that. Yeah, have a nice day.